great, and it was almost like a party atmosphere, so it put you in a great mood while you were doing it.
It reminded me when we were out on the plaza doing that for our troops.
Yeah.
Remember at Christmas time?
That was fun.
You really feel like you're part of something that's truly going to make an impact in a person's life.
You were busy, too, one of the other evenings.
I was. I guess it was Monday night.
Monday night.
It's the second year in a row I've hosted something that's called the Jimmies, named after our dear friend Jimmy Niederlander, and who's just so important in the theater world. Love our Jimmy. And it's the search for the number one, the top male and female high school seniors in musical theater. And there we are with the cast. And I think there's one with Tommy Toon who was there as well. Where's Tommy? Look at Tommy.
He's so tall.
And he's like 6'8", and I'm wearing heels. But yeah, he'd be good for you, Huda.
Yeah, he kind of would.
He is the nicest guy in the world. So it was my delight. And let me tell you who won it. Oh gosh. We had it on a piece of paper.
It was somewhere.
Darling kid. His last name is Seelig.
Yes.
From out in California, and a darling girl from, this is terrible, from Atlanta, Alexandria Payne. But Kyle Seelig. Kyle Seelig. Darling.
Let me tell you something about your memory, which is pretty astonishing. This morning, it was in the paper. You cut it out. You had a little piece, and you said, I'm going to remember that, and you put it away. Paper's nowhere. We've done 100 things since then. And you remember?
Well, you know what? You just got to try. You know, I mean, these kids, it's a huge thing. They each got a $10,000 scholarship towards their schools. And I got a feeling that we're going to see them soon because, you know, who was there? Was a casting director from Nickelodeon.
Brilliant.
So smart to get these kids real quickly before they, you know, and they will see them on Nickelodeon someday.
But while we were away, a lot of stuff happened. Larry King got on TV the other night.
A lot in the papers that he might be stepping aside.
But I guess he announced